What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So as you guys read by today's title of the video, we are going to be racing another Q50, but this one is a VR30, so it's a 3.0 turbo. When I bought this car, I was actually looking into a 3.0 turbo, but after doing some research, I seen that a lot of people were complaining about those cars. They were saying that the turbos would blow, something about like the belt. Pretty much those cars were problematic, so I ended up going with a 3.7 because I'm very familiar with these cars already as it is, and I mean, all I wanted was a daily. I know there's some people right now that are maybe looking into getting Q50 and wonder which one is faster, the 3.7 or the 3.0 turbo. I do want to say mod for mod, the 3.0 turbo will win unless you boost these cars for sure. The 3.0 turbo has a lot more potential, but these cars do have very similar mods. So I have a muffler delete and test pipes, and he has, I believe, a muffler and resonator delete. So I mean, they're kind of similar. The only difference is that I don't have cats and he does have cats, and I have resonators and he doesn't. So yeah, it should be honestly a good race. I feel like he's gonna beat me, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie. I think he's gonna beat me, but I think it should be a good race. I don't think I should get gapped. Sheesh, bro, those taillights are so much better than mine. I feel like I want to, as weird as it sounds, I want to get these taillights, even though they're 3.0 turbo taillights, and put them on mine. What do you guys think? So, homie. So, bro, how are you? My twin over here, bro. I feel like his looks better though. This thing is clean, and he has a carbon mirror caps. Bro, almost steal these off of you.
You get them off without breaking the clips. Take those shit.
Damn, like that, bro. It's like that. So I was telling them. So your car is just muffler and resonator delete, right?
Yeah, it's muffler resonator. That's all it is.
So it should be kind of a fair matchup. The only thing is, like I said, I don't have cats, he does, and I have resonators, he doesn't. But I feel like it should be a kind of fair matchup.
Should be pretty even, bro. Comment
down below who you think is taking this, a 3.7 or 3.0. I personally think he's probably gonna beat me. I'm not gonna lie. I think you're gonna top end me. I don't know. Let's see. I literally caught this dude at the perfect time. He just got these catless downpipes. He would have for sure got me with those, bro. Or if I beat you, then we're gonna have to rerun it, because then we're gonna be kind of similar.
I'm selling the fucking car.
Damn. In other words, he's gonna gap me, bro. Give it a little rev, bro. Damn, for just a muffler and resonator delete, bro, that thing sounds good. We got another gray Q50 right there, bro. Another one. Tell him a three-way. What the? Why doesn't my windows go down? No way. Bro, I'm so stupid. I was like, why doesn't my windows go down? Since I heard your car, I thought my car was on. Oh my god, bro. I got scared. I was like, no way my window went out on this car too. Bro, look at how he set up a gap cam. A homemade gap cam right there, look. That's fucking smart, bro. I never would have thought about that. Alright, so we're gonna do a 40, 50, and a 60. So, let's see how this goes. Just like I expected. Alright, let's try a 50 roll. For sale. What, one more to 60? That one was a little bit better. Maybe one more 60. Yeah, bro, fair and square. You got me. Hell yeah, bro. 0 and 4. I'm selling it. I should have got a VR30. That's the closest one. He still got me by like a fender. Yeah, but you're just fast. I said, yeah, but you're just fast. What can I say, bro? 3.0 turbos are they just got that dog in them, you know what I mean? There you guys have it. 3.0 for the win, 3.7 for the L. It's for sale. Whoever wants to buy it, it's for sale. Good shit, bro. Good runs, bro. Good runs. The closest one was the last one, the 20-year-old, but other than that, yeah, it was pretty bad.
Spun a little bit, but
yeah, I might spin a little bit too, but no excuses. Yeah. Hell yeah.
Y'all were.
I'm gonna just post that one, bro. Just kidding. Yeah, guys, there you guys have it. For those of you guys that might have been wondering which one's faster, the 3.0 turbo or the 3.7, pretty much like I said, similar mods. 3.0 for the win all day, as I assumed. Like I said, I feel like these cars mod for mod are just gonna destroy this car unless you boost it. But even then, I don't know. What do you think?
Nah, if you boosted 3.7, walking the fuck out of this.
Yeah, that's what I'm. Oh yeah, this setup. Yeah, I get it. But like, whoa.
That's good.
But like I wonder like a upgraded turbo one. Like I wonder how that would do. Like a boosted 3.7 versus a upgraded turbo.
Yeah.
Probably right there. Probably be a good run.
I mean, bro, that one tune will for sure gap this, you know?
This one tune, yeah, probably this like setup, it'll probably be,
yeah.
I probably would have beat it. I don't think I would have gapped it. I would have beat it, maybe. But yeah, once that one's tuned, there's nothing for this one. Once this one's tuned, I'll race you in my Z. Nah, just kidding. But yeah, thanks to the homie, like I said, for coming out. Super short notice. Good runs. If you guys want to follow him, his stuff is going to be on the description below and on the screen right here. And yeah, show some love to the homie with the Q.